Have you ever thought about doing a photo shoot with a 16-year-old in the Bahamas? No? Okay, no, I'm just checking. Because Kim Kardashian did that with a then 16-year-old Justin Bieber. Kim Kardashian says this photo shoot should have gotten her canceled from the internet, but it didn't. And here we are, reacting to these pictures of Kim Kardashian in the Bahamas with a then 16-year-old Justin Bieber that she explains they took inspiration from a movie called The Graduate, which if you look up this movie, if you have no idea about this movie, the story is Dustin Hoffman. He's a recent college graduate, unsure about his future, and he's seduced by Mrs. Robinson, an older family friend. So I guess, yeah, he's just seduced by an older woman, his girlfriend's mom. And that's the inspiration for this 2010 Elle photo shoot. I love how she's like, I don't know who thought that this was normal, this narrative. Who else could it be, Kim, if not you? She talks about the photo shoot on her show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, which I've never watched. I know, thank you guys. I'm very proud of that, honestly. So she talks about it and when they ask her, do you have a crush on him? 29-year-old Kim Kardashian says, if only he was 18 years old. I can't. Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm a professional photographer, and today I'm going to be going over the lighting, the styling, the editing, everything that has to do with these pictures. It's the 2010 Elle magazine photo shoot with Kim Kardashian and Justin Bieber. So I'll let you guys know what I think, and I'll point out things that I see. The most obvious, the fact that Kim Kardashian is doing a photo shoot with a 16-year-old. So let's take a look at these pictures of Kim Kardashian and Justin Bieber together. So the first picture is Justin Bieber on TV while Kim Kardashian works out in 10-inch heels in a dress with her hair and makeup done. So the first thing I thought about when I saw this picture is, how are you on that machine with heels on? I went to the gym last week. I personally couldn't do it. The color toning of this image is very interesting. There's a lot of violet. This is selective color. For those who use Photoshop, they went into the black section and then took it all the way to the left. And there we have this type of bluish purple toning. I find it to be interesting. I don't even mind the toning. I wish there was a little bit more warmth to it, but I don't mind it. It looks like this on-screen visual of Justin Bieber was pasted in there, copied and pasted in. I'm pretty sure with all this light coming in, this giant light source coming in, there's no way you would have been able to see that. So I'm pretty sure they just cut out Justin Bieber and pasted him in here. Who knows what Kim Kardashian was watching, if anything at all. There's an empty machine next to Kim Kardashian, and I feel personally attacked by this because I didn't continue to go to the gym when I should have last week. But I will let this serve as a reminder to us all. She could have went on the treadmill, I think, but she chose this machine, Stairmaster, right? I'm not sure. I probably should work out more. This part of the picture is very much overexposed. I believe they just shot it overexposed and then just added in. They used a brush in Photoshop, like a giant round brush, and just, put some color in here, make it seem like it's not overexposed. You know what? That's not even the part that I mind. It's the fact that Kim Kardashian is, again, she's working out in this outfit and looking at Justin Bieber. I like the way it's edited, but it's a little bit too violet. I would have bumped up the saturation just a little bit, but I feel like back then it was a trend to have this sort of dull skin tone. It kind of works for this. He's modeling as well as her. They're like looking in each other's direction, but looking away. The strongest model in this picture, if I'm being honest, it is the Stairmaster 5000. Whatever name this machine goes by. Now this one, when I saw, I was like, what's going on here? First of all, Justin, you can look through the viewfinder if you want. A lot of photographers are just looking at the screen these days, which that's a thing too. So she's getting her picture taken by Justin Bieber while they're both getting their picture taken. It's sort of like an inception of sorts here. It's a photo shoot within a photo shoot. So the coloring, again, is very dull. It's giving lifeless. Also, that was the style back then for some reason. I really do love the lighting though, I must say. The lighting is nice on these. Justin Bieber hunched over taking this picture with his fingers on the zoom like that. I don't know. He has the lens hood on. He's prepared. He's like, I'm not gonna get any lens flare. That's not happening on this shoot. What's crazy is this is in the Bahamas and it's probably super sunny, right? But it looks like it's a cloudy, gloomy day. It looks like Peaky Blinders era photo shoot, right? With the colors. This does not look like Peaky Blinders. This photo, I would have had him straighten his back out like this. But let me tell you, as a photographer, we're having back problems. We have neck problems. Any problems you might think, we probably have them. This is not really like a photographer's stance, I would say. We don't really sit down for these. We're really all over we'd be off the railing, we'd be on the floor, laying down. We're not comfortable like this, photographers. If photographers don't look ridiculous taking your photo, it's not gonna be a good picture, okay? So the weirder we look, and act, the better your pictures will be. Justin's having a good time. Whatever, is it on? Is the camera on? I don't know. Maybe he was gonna look through the viewfinder, but he's also wearing sunglasses. He might want to take those off before he takes that picture. The exposure is not gonna be accurate. Wow, this picture is looking great. Takes off sunglasses. It looks like we're in a windstorm. I like the composition, but Justin feels out of place in this picture because Kim's really posed and he's just like, let me take a picture of my mom. Mom, you look great. I'm gonna send this to the family in the family WhatsApp group chat and see what everyone says. They're gonna think you're so pretty. That's what this reminds me of. Okay, let's go to the next picture. This one's just so weird. She's posed for the camera. He's eating a flower. He received that from Kim Kardashian? That's the question I have to ask when looking at this. Still giving lifeless with the coloring. The dehydrated, dry, desaturated grass in the back. In the ocean. The ocean is looking sad here for some reason. Again, a lot of desaturation going on, but I think this was the style back then. Everything was very much desaturated. And there's still hints of violet, as you can see in the coloring. We also have this this light passing through. You can tell that the sun it's high noon. We have the sun blazing down here. They didn't diffuse the light very well. Here we see a little bit of light on Kim's face. This half of the photo is kind of like your child on vacation. Like they're having a good time at the resort. And then this half is the friend or the parent who will never take a candid picture in their life. Like they're doing something cute and candid like this. And then they get a glimpse of you taking the picture and they're like this. You don't have to pose for every photo. Ma'am, you don't. She's proud of him. You know, he did well in school. He got good grades. She's like, I'm so proud of you. She has her hand right here. She's like, good job, Justin. We're all so proud of you. Next picture is Kim doing what she does best and being on her phone. And Justin Bieber on an iPad. Tell me this doesn't look like a mother and son on vacation. She's like, just take this iPad and watch CoComelon, please. I'm gonna take 5 minutes to check the family WhatsApp group chat and see what the family thinks of my photo that you took of me. The composition is nice for this one. I like the palm trees, the shadows of the palm trees, and the lighting. This type of lighting is very nice. Like the coloring, I feel like was almost too much. I would have just liked it pulled back a little bit more. But I can't emphasize how the violet replacing the blacks in these photos, I think was very much the style. You can see in one of her photo shoots that I loved so much was her with red hair and there was a lot of violet in it. And so I think that sort of plays up with this type of coloring. So I really do love violet in pictures and purple. I don't mind it. I would have just liked maybe a little bit more warm in the tones. I love that Kim did her hair and makeup probably different for each one of these pictures. Justin Bieber, you just put him in the jeans. They're like, just change your t-shirt. His face isn't even showing in this one. He's like, please don't get me in the picture. It's like, I'm embarrassed to be seen with my family. This photo, they had been in the water together. Just sounds... Even me explaining the context of this picture sounds bad. They were in the ocean next to each other. I think they took pictures in the water and then they got out of the water and this is the photo that we're seeing. Photographer snapped this. The photo is blurry and the coloring I think just doesn't suit this picture. It's very overpowering. It's almost too much. How fast were they going? I mean, what was the shutter speed for this one? The shutter must have been opened for 3 minutes at least for this picture. And then we have the people in the back, which is just, it's so odd because it's Justin and Kim holding hands. They conveniently cropped them holding the hands here. This picture was after this picture. Again, they were in the ocean holding hands. I don't know why. You know what's crazy? If this were a 29-year-old man and a 16-year-old girl, there would have been outrage. So that's why it's interesting that they got away with doing something like this. Again, Justin Bieber was 16 years old. The picture is blurry. I don't even mind that it's blurry. I know some people will not agree with that. I actually kind of like blurry pictures. I feel like they serve a purpose in moderation. Not all the pictures, but just maybe like one purposely blurry picture. I don't mind. I don't know if it works in this one. And I know you could have just adjusted the shutter speed. I don't know what happened here. Justin's running for his life. Kim's making sure, yeah, I'm gonna walk with you out of this water, but I have to look fabulous. I do like the coloring in this one though. I love the purple with the sort of teal green desaturated. It kind of works. Would have been so nice just saturated a little bit more. This is so awkward. I don't understand the point of this. It looks like senior pictures, but like the mom's like, hey, take one with me in it. Can you just take one with me and my son? That's what this reminds me of. Okay, let's talk about the actual, I feel like I'm not even talking about the picture. The cropping is a bit weird. They just cropped at the knee here. It looks like senior pictures, really. And the coloring, I don't think complements this photo. Again, we're seeing a lot of violet. There would usually be black. There's now violet. That's selective color right there. I feel like Kim's posing in this is very, it would have worked if it was just a more natural shoot. Opening the door or something, or like walking around. It looks like two separate photo shoots that aren't meant to be with one another, like in the same picture. It's like this is a whole different vibe. We're going from Mickey Mouse Clubhouse to Elle magazine. It's two completely different dynamics, elements that don't work with each other at all. This next picture, Kim's like, I need a picture on my own, okay? We have 17 with Justin Bieber on his iPad in the ocean. I need one of just me. Even though she kind of did that in this photo right here. She's like, oh, just copy and paste him in. If you were to crop out Justin, it could have just been a photo shoot of Kim on her own. Look, like, really? That's what this whole thing could have just been Kim's photo shoot right here, look. Or this, look, easily, all these pictures could have just been Kim on her own. This picture doesn't even fit with the story. If you really think about it, is there a story? She really looks like she loves herself in this one. She's like, man, you're so great. The lighting is very nice. I like that this is in black and white. Just doesn't feel like this was Justin Bieber in this shoot at all. She's like, I need a full 2 pages just for me. Did Justin get his own picture? He didn't. She's like, I don't know who thought this was normal, but it was normal enough for you to get your own picture. So the best photo, honestly, this one I'm gonna vote for the worst one, but in a good way. Like he's just not a care in the world, and she's really trying hard to take this seriously. That's what kills me about this. There's always that one person that takes things way too seriously, and it seems like that's Kim in this photo shoot. She's really like making sure to pose instead of, she could have just been having more fun and been more natural, less posed. It probably would have matched Justin Bieber's energy, but he's 16, she's 20, she's 29. Again, if she was a 29-year-old man, the comments would have been so much different. I have to mention that finding these photos was a little difficult because they've been removed from Elle's website. You can't really find the full set of images on Google. You'll find 1 or 2. So I had to do a bit of digging to find these. I don't know if that's on purpose. Like, did she try to get these photos removed? I don't know. I had to sign up for a website to get these pictures. When this was first published, everyone was like, oh, it's so cute and this and oh. And now people are starting to see that it was very problematic. You probably could not do an editorial like this in 2026. I don't think people would be okay with that. But at the time, like 15 years ago, that was okay. It was just like societal norm, I'll say. It's good that Kim is acknowledging that she shouldn't have done this photo shoot, but she should acknowledge some other things that she's done also that are probably more problematic than this. Overall, the pictures, they're pretty bad. I think the editing, I don't even mind the editing, to be honest. I do love the coloring of these. I think they're too desaturated, and the composition is kind of all over the place, like even that one. There's like unnecessary blurring in these photos. And then the vibe of this one doesn't match with this. I think the photo shoot was generally like awkward, weird. The composition's all over the place. He's on an iPad in one of the pictures. I really want to know what you guys think of these pictures. Please leave your thoughts in the comments. Did you have a favorite? Let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video.